Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over a hair care routine that I use at home, products I like to use. I'm going to go over everything with you and how to take your hair when you're stuck at home. I go over my hair care routine with you guys and kind of show you what I've been using, what I've been loving since we're going to be at home. Some tips and tricks, all of it. First I'm going to start off with the stuff I do in the shower and then my aftercare after that. So what I use in the shower, my shampoo and conditioner is, these are my go-to. They're my, this is the wash and this is the rinse. It's the plumping line, which is good for finer hair. It gives you a lot of volume and body. So if you're someone that struggles with fine hair and you're looking for something to give you that volume and body, these are it for sure. I love these. Also, they have a spray to help fill in any areas that are sparse around your hair. So it comes in a set, which is really good. I love that. So I just use the wash first, which is shampoo, and then the rinse. So maybe I'm saying maybe it's a day where I've been using a lot of heat on my hair and I want to do a treatment. So for a treatment, I've been loving the Restore by Kevin Murphy. It's a repairing cleansing treatment. This stuff is amazing. I have this at the salon. I use this on all my clients after any service. It makes their hair feel soft and buttery. It makes your hair feel so good. So I will link this one down below too. So some other ones that I like to switch in and out of routine is, this is the Repair Me Wash, which it goes with this. And this is just like if you have damage on your hair, if you're blonde or you just want to get that nutrients back in your hair, this one's amazing. And all of these are made with essential oils, so they're really good. It's reconstructing your hair from the inside out. So I recommend that one. And then because I am light, I'm using the Blonde Angel, which is a color enhancing treatment. So it's pretty much like a purple shampoo. So I'll open it. I mean, you can really see. It's going to tone my hair since I'm not able to get my hair done. I could do it at home, which I'm probably going to do, but this just kind of tones it in between, and this doesn't make your hair feel dry. I know some purple shampoos can really dry out your hair. This one does not do that. I totally recommend this one, and a little goes a long way. So that's what I love about it, and it really works for a couple weeks now, and I really love it. So those are just some things I change up in my shower. I don't like to use the same thing over and over. I do like to switch it up because you don't want your hair to get used to the products you're always using. You want to switch it up a little bit. So I love that. So what I do when I get out of the shower is, you guys already know I talked about this in my Amazon haul. I use my Turby Twist, which is the towel I use for my hair. You just put your hair in this part, you twist it around, and then you just put it in here. This is really good for your hair. This is going to get all that moisture out. It's not pulling your hair. It's not damaging your hair. I totally recommend this. It's amazing. And this is what it looks like. And I'll link it down below for you guys too. It's really easy. And you just throw it in the wash with your towels. So the brush that I love is this bath pack brush. I love this one. It's really good. What can I say about a brush? And then the hair ties I recommend are the bath pack ones too. But I'll link some alternatives down below. These ones are amazing. They stretch out, but then they go back to its original form. So I really like that. And I always, because I do wear extensions, I always wear my hair in a low pony or braids when I go to bed because I don't want to tangle my hair. That's a big pointer. And use these, because if you curl your hair the night before and you wear these and take it out, it's not going to have any creases in it. These are amazing. I give all my clients these, and I would say 80% of my clients use these and they love them. So I love to give these to my clients as gifts on Christmas because you can never have too many hair ties, honestly. But I definitely recommend these. These are amazing. So another product that I like to use after I get out of the shower is the U Oil by Unite. This oil is my favorite. My clients know I use it in their hair all the time. It's argan oil, so it's really going to put that moisture back in your hair. And actually I use this when it's wet and also when it's dry. So just like you moisturize your face, you need to moisturize your hair. So I do it after I get out of the shower, and then if I style my hair, if I curl it, blow it out, whatever, I use it again. But a little goes a long way with this, and this will last you a couple months. A lot of my clients repurchase it like every couple months, but this is like my #1 seller. I did a couple products that I like to use when I get out of the shower is my 7-second leave-in. This leave-in is the best. I've tried so many, high-end, low-end. This one I always come back to, and it is amazing, and it smells so good. So this is what I use when I get out of the shower. It's a really good detangle. Like these two sell out so quick because they're just amazing and they go well together. So I will link these down below. And then the last product that I use, it depends if I'm going to blow dry or not. So if I'm not going to blow dry, I probably won't use this. But if I am, I'm definitely going to use this. And this is actually a newer product, but I am obsessed with it. Our rep came in to the salon and she's like, oh my God, you got to try this new product. And I was like, okay, sure. And when she told me about it, I was like, okay, you know, you're interested in it, but you're not sure. And then I tried it and I was like, you were so right. It is so good. So a lot of my clients have been picking up and they're loving it. So what I'm talking about is the Eversmooth. It's a heat activated styler extender. So this protects your heat for about, I think, it helps with frizz. You apply it to damp hair, and it just, like, if you're going to blow dry your hair, whatever you're going to do, any kind of heat, it protects your hair. So this is also a heat protectant too. So if you're not going to blow dry your hair, you could totally use this, and this is a heat protectant. But if you are, you can never have too much heat protectant. So I love this. It really does cut down the drying time. It says almost 50%, and I really think it does because I have extensions and it can take me a while to blow dry, but with this it helps a lot. So this is the product. Yeah, so that is my hair care routine. I do take vitamins. I did run out and put in an order for those, so I will put them in the screen right here, the ones that I use. But if you guys have any questions or anything about hair care, I want to be here to help you and educate you on products to use to get your hair to that healthy looking hair that you want. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and I really hope you guys are doing well.